Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphela-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ukulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ugcindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuthi izindaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke wabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje lithi-ke i-EFF isishaya i-MK-ke laphana-ke ngezinduku zayo-ke laphana-ke ithatha-ke elinye-ke ilunga-ke le-MK-ke laphana-ke limemezele ukuthi-ke seliyahamba-ke liyojoyina-ke i-EFF lachaza-ke okuningi-ke ukuthi-ke yini-ke isizathu-ke kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi ezwe ngami kuphela into nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye kusisi-ke laphana-ke ubechaza-ke laphana eveza-ke okuningi-ke ngicela ukuthi-ke masibonile-ke le video leyo ngene ama-comment section-ke ufishe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ngicindezela nebhathini nje subscribe nje mali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ngenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke wena-ke ngawucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Okay, ndinesigaxa njengobani bathanda kangaka abantu abashiya i-EFF bejoyina i-MK. You never talk about people leaving abo MK and other parties, so I'm here for that. So this person is leaving MK. I'm gonna read it for you. He says that to MK Ward 107, CC convener coordinator resignation. I, Mahlomola Ledwaba, a member of the MK Ward 107, I would like to take this opportunity to resign as the member of MK in Ward 107. I also salute you for welcoming me with both hands. My resignation from the MK has nothing to do with misunderstanding within the ward, but it is because of my personal level. And then, okay, I'm gonna read this one, Goku. I don't know if this is a separate letter, but from the same, I think this is a different one. Uti, okay, the top part is cut, but I'm gonna start here. Uti, national this, national that. We must have program that is going to benefit the ward, not national. And I've shown them how to run the branch program. Even this coming 24 September, there will be a program that was organized by me at Sesio Park, Attridgeville. That program is the Aritepaneng program. I think it means let's trust each other. Unfortunately, I won't be available because I took the stand to distance myself. Former ANC members who failed in the ANC are pushing their personal agendas and they feel threatened by our ideas. And they start to mobilize their friends under the banner. Mahlomola, he want to be MKP councillor candidate in 2026. Oh, this is a different one. Okay, Mahlomola, he wants to be MKP councillor candidate in 2026, and if we are not careful, he will get it because community loves him. I mean, I'm not there and I'm done with politics. In fact, without politics, I'm surviving because workers are taking care of me. Even the South African Independent Democratic Workers Union is making it everything in its power to make sure that I'm well covered. It's where I realized that I am in the wrong movement. So I decided to quit with immediate effect and rejoin EFF Tshwane Ward 107 with immediate effect. You can't rejoin the EFF, by the way. If you're gone, you're gone. You can't go and then you come back. When you come back, you are just a volunteer. We don't know you. That's the EFF. Thanks to MKP in Tshwane Ward 107 for welcoming me or making me feel as one of their families, but I personally cannot continue with the bad tendencies of being undermined by nobody, especially the person who is using experience than knowledge. Oh, I saw. Okay, I think the problem into Batlabanisayo is that the people from the ANC joining the MK bafuna ubhukuqa aba be MK, like they wanna overthrown them, basically. Not this is why, okay, guys, it's important sometimes to start something from scratch. And you know, one thing that is that's gonna hurt the MK is the fact that there are people from the ANC coming from the ANC who've been in the ANC for long, who think they know everything, who wanna come to the MK and do izinto ngendlela ANC and push aside abantu be-MK who have worked hard to mobilize and to do things. Bafuna ubapushele ecaleni and for them to take over. Bafuna uba zii-councillors. Ibona ngokubalola ii-councillors. Lo uthi I'm going back to the EFF, uzawufika ube si-stranger kwi-EFF. And I'm glad we made that rule uba if you go, you go. If you think that the pastures are green out there, stay there, ke son. If you get there and you realize they're not green, stay there. So yeah, this is why I love church. This is why I love church, son. Any day. Anyway, trust me to bring you the tea any day.